Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make mini pumpkin pies that kids can make, which is super easy to make. You just need some pumpkin pie spice, the mini Graham pie crust, some ready vanilla pudding, and some pumpkin puree. You can get the ready pumpkin pie filling, but I choose to get the pumpkin puree because it's a bit healthier. And you get to control the sweetness because already the vanilla pudding and the pie crust are already sweet. Are you ready to make them with me today?
I'm very ready.
Okay, let's start. So, you're gonna need to pour some pumpkin puree here in a bowl. Just a little bit. I'll tell you when to stop.
Just like this.
Yeah, a little bit more. Maybe one more.
This?
Yeah, like 3 tablespoons. You're gonna need a little bit more.
Then that's 4.
No, because they're not filled all the way through. There you go. And that's what you're gonna need, like about 3 tablespoons. And now let's add the pumpkin pie spice. You ready to add them?
Yeah, I'm very ready.
Here. So let's put some here. I'll tell you when to stop. A little bit more. Good job. I think that's it.
Okay.
And now you're gonna mix this.
Okay. With this?
Yeah. Good job. Mix everything until incorporated. Nice.
Already smells good.
I smell like pumpkin pie already.
Yeah, same.
Smells like fall,
Yeah.
right? And now, vanilla pudding.
Okay, so should I stop now?
I think that's it. We're gonna be,
Oh, that.
yeah, we're
I
gonna
love those.
squeeze them.
Everything?
So, you wanna squeeze all of that?
Yeah.
Let me see. To make sure we squeeze everything, then you can mix. Okay, I think we're gonna be needing one more because I see the quantity needs a little bit more.
Okay, can I squeeze?
Then we squeeze to make sure we get everything.
So it can be liquidy or what?
Oh, it's not liquidy.
But pumpkin pie is my favorite pie.
Yeah.
My second favorite is apple pie.
Okay. And now you're gonna mix to see if we're gonna need to add one more or we're good. Mix everything.
One with orange. You know, this is
Good job. Can you try it? And this one we don't need to cook it because already we're using pudding, and you can just fill out the pie crust and we should be ready to go.
There's only a little left.
And now we're gonna place them in the freezer just so they hold their shape a little bit, and we'll serve after.